Do you like my shirt?
I don't like it. I love it.
Thank you. It has the whole shebang. I'm a sheriff.
Hey, I'm Viv, and today's tip is how to make coffee without any equipment, aka Cowboy coffee. Yeehaw! So first off, I'm gonna boil some water. I'm gonna fill up my pot, but for you at home, maybe 8 ounces of water to 2 tablespoons of coffee ground. So after it boils, turn off the heat and let it sit for about 30 seconds. Use fine ground coffee. It will allow more flavor extraction in less time. And the finer coffee grounds will sink to the bottom easier than the coarse ones that will float more. You only want your coffee to brew for 4 to 5 minutes or it will get too bitter. Traditionally, Cowboy coffee is consumed black. It is smooth enough so you do not need to add any sugar or milk or cream. It's also convenient because you can't really bring sugar, cream, or milk. I got a snake in my boot! So smooth, smells great, and no special equipment.